True peace, Kens. Man, true peace, Kens. I just did that song called Electric Vehicles. You go check it out. Man, Peep the Slang. DARPA takes first step towards biomanufacturing capabilities in space. It's something like the movie I watched. I Was Raised by Wolves with the woman and the black guy, and they came. They had the embryos, brought the embryos to the place Earth or whatever. Kepler, I think it was. DARPA takes first step towards biomanufacturing capabilities in space, man. Peep the slang. The DoD has a role in orbital and lunar missions as defined by the U.S. Space Force, USSF Space Capstone Publication, PDF. I already got the PDF. In this document, USSF notes the inherent value of the space domain and the tremendous influence space has on the U.S. prosperity and security. There is a critical DoD need for the continued development and future expansion of orbital manufacturing to enable and ensure supply chain resiliency, sustain technological superiority, and asset security and repair for current and future operations. To meet this unique challenge, DARPA announced today that it was taking an initial step to explore and de-risk manufacturing capabilities that leverage biological processes in resource-limited environments with its biomanufacturing, survival, utility, and reliability beyond Earth. Be Sure program, man. Peep the slang. I get to learn while reading, man. Imagine you are going to space. There's a long list of items and supplies you will definitely need, but there's an even longer list of things you might need, depending on how your mission progresses. This includes unforeseen needs like fuel or unexpected maneuvering, replacement parts or tools, and a wide range of other products that could be useful but may not be utilized. The current paradigm in space is to pack everything you might possibly need, but this approach is complex and logistically burdensome. Imagine instead you pack only fermentation equipment, feedstocks, and a freezer full of microbes that each convert the feedstock into a different useful molecule, material, or product so you have everything you might need and can produce it on a demand. This is the eventual goal of space biomanufacturing. Bring the microbes and equipment you need to manufacture a wide range of raw materials or products that become critical during the course of the mission. Biomanufacturing offers a novel approach for in situ manufacturing in far forward locations, including space. While biomanufacturing has the potential to provide DoD relevant molecules, I'm freestyling too, y'all, and materials and alleviate supply chain burdens associated with space operations. Realizing this capabilities requires fundamental investigational research to inform future applied research efforts. To accomplish this goal, Be Sure will collect data on the microbial utilization of space-based alternative feedstock, optimization of microbial growth and variable gravitations, and mitigation strategies for identified effects of galactic cosmic radiation on microbial growth and bioproduction. DoD currently has no space manufacturing capability. All resources or equipment needed for a given mission are manufactured on Earth and shipped to space, stated Dr. Ann Cheever, Be Sure Program Manager. The Be Sure program is an important first step in addressing fundamental biomanufacturing questions to develop this capability. The 18-month effort involves three tracks to meet program goals. Track 1, alternative feedstock utilization, will determine which alternative feedstock can be consumed by host organisms and what quantity and purity levels. Track 2, variable gravity, will identify the impact of variable gravity on cellular performance in the context of biomanufacturing parameters and how terrestrial analogs predict on orbit molecule production. Track 3, variable radiation, will discover the effects of variable radiation on microbial molecule production. Program prospers may choose to respond to one or more tracks. Be Sure performers will have the opportunity to engage with U.S. government and DoD stakeholders, as well as appropriate regulatory authorities. Teams are also expected to collaborate with ethical, legal, societal implications (ELSI) experts. The Be Sure program is a fundamental study that will explore adapting microbes to space conditions as a proof of concept. The microbes will produce reporting molecules with the hope that eventually this technology will enable in space production of molecules relevant to space flight. Add Cheever. Additional details on the program schedule and metrics are available in the broad agency announcement. Man, peep the slang. Okay, DARPA, these microbes.